Installing a processor. Note: if you are reusing a processor that was removed from another system board, wipe the thermal grease from the processor with an alcohol cleaning pad. Hold both sides of the processor and align the small notches on the processor with the tabs on the socket. Align the small triangle on the processor with the beveled corner on the socket. Gently lower the processor evenly into the socket. Close the processor retainer and then push the handle to the locked position. Use a syringe to apply 4 uniformly spaced dots of thermal grease to the top of the processor. Each dot should consist of about 0.1 milliliters of thermal grease. Align the 4 screws on the heatsink and fan assembly with the corresponding screw holes on the system board. Note: make sure that the front label is facing the front of the server. Partially fasten screw 1, fully fasten screw 2, and then fully fasten screw 1. Partially fasten screw 3, fully fasten screw 4, and then fully fasten screw 3. Connect the fan power cable to the fan 2 connector on the system board. Install the server cover.